In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Fusion 360. Whether you're more comfortable working in another language or you're setting up Fusion for a teammate, this quick walkthrough will help you switch the interface in just a few clicks. Start with Fusion 360 open and make sure you're signed in. Look to the top right corner of the application window. You'll see your profile icon, which may show your avatar or initials. Click that icon to open a small menu and select Preferences. This opens the Preferences dialog, where Fusion groups all of your personal settings. If you don't see it right away, give it a second. Sometimes it takes a moment to appear, especially the first time. Inside Preferences, glance at the left side. You'll see a sidebar with different categories. Make sure the General tab is selected. General is where Fusion puts common global options that affect how the interface behaves for you, including the application language. Now, on the right panel of that General section, look for the User Language drop-down. Depending on your current setup, it might already show your operating system's default language. Click the drop-down to see the full list of available languages. Scroll through and choose the one you prefer. If you're collaborating internationally, this is a great way to make the workspace more comfortable for each person without affecting shared data. Selecting a language here changes menus, dialog boxes, tooltips, and most on-screen labels, which can make learning and navigating the software much smoother. Once you've picked your language, it's time to apply the change. Click Apply or OK at the bottom of the Preferences window. Fusion 360 may prompt you to restart the application so the interface can fully update. If you see that prompt, go ahead and confirm. If there's no prompt, the change might take effect immediately. Either way, give the app a moment to refresh. When it comes back, you should see the entire interface reflected in your chosen language. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Changing the user language affects only your personal environment. It doesn't modify projects or files and won't impact collaborators who keep a different language. Your design data stays exactly the same. If you don't see the language you want, make sure you're on a recent version of Fusion 360, as language support can expand over time. And if you ever want to switch back, just return to Preferences, visit the General tab, and choose a different option from the same drop-down. That's all there is to it. You've just learned how to